and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do Pyrokinesis. What is Pyrokinesis? Pyrokinesis is the ability over fire. It's the ability to control fire, flames, and heat. Okay? That means that you can ignite a fire and extinguish a fire with the power of your mind. Okay, practical use. You could basically kill a fire in your house. You could ignite a candle, extinguish a candle, and that's what we're gonna do today. When you practice pyrokinesis, I usually recommend doing that outside, because outside it's not as dangerous as doing it inside. Now, I'm gonna teach you a technique how to do it inside safely. The first thing you want to do is to learn how to extinguish a flame. The easiest way to do that and the safest way is to do that with a candle. You can try to light the candle with pyrokinesis, but that I will do outside. Everything what has to do with making fire, please don't do this in your house. You can get burned, literally, just like I did. Many of you ask me, hey, why do you wear a mask? I have very bad burns on this side of the face because I did pyrokinesis inside and I had a little accident and I burned my face. And I partially lost my hair too. That's why I highly recommend don't do this inside. But now I'm very experienced. I know how to practice that. That's why I can extinguish a fire, kill a flame inside safely. And that's what we're gonna do today. I lit a candle there. I lit it with the lighter, not with pyrokinesis, because I did it inside. So I want to be safe, okay? So I lit this candle back there. And my goal of today's exercise is to kill this flame, extinguish the candle with the power of my mind. How am I gonna do this? So first of all, you have to understand fire. How does fire work? Because fire cannot exist without two ingredients: heat, air, and then the third ingredient is an object which can burn. What can burn? What cannot burn? Anything what has calories can burn. Calories burn. You've heard that before. And they literally burn with fire. This is how you can count calories. This is how scientists determine how many calories certain things have, because they burn it. Okay? For example, a banana has 200 calories because it burns a certain way. And a candle also has calories. If something doesn't have calories, it won't burn. That just for your understanding. Anyways, we need to understand those three compounds: air, calories, and heat. And if we can focus our mind on bringing the heat up and having enough air around the flame, it's gonna work. So for this candle, for example, I have to bring enough air to the candle, which is not a lot because there's air already, so you don't have to focus on that. But just to have this in your mind, just to keep it in your mind, a flame needs air, okay? So the bigger the flame, the more air you need. And then you need to increase the heat. You increase the heat by focusing on the heat of your body. Focus on the heat of your body and then increase the heat at the object through telekinesis. Okay? Now then, today we're not making a fire, we're killing a fire. How do we do this? To kill a flame, you need to do the exact opposite. Remember when I said bring the air to the object? Now you have to remove the air through Aerokinesis. You have to bring down the temperature through Cryokinesis. And then the flame is gonna get killed. Do you understand? If you have any questions so far, please let me know. Okay? Now, there's a candle back there. And through Pyrokinesis, I'm gonna kill the candle. And I'm gonna do all the things I just explained to you. So, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. I'm your guru. And have a good day. And now, I'm gonna kill this candle. Be patient.